Hi, hello, welcome back from my general being YouTube channel again. Today I want to share you guys. I'm going to write for the string duplicate for this. Okay, for this you can manually key in inside your terminal. You can manually doing the string duplicate. Okay, from this that will show you description how the way that will process. Okay, for this they are going to using the library standard for this. There's for the sameness will be two kinds like string duplicate and string number duplicate. Let me string duplicate will be like your duplicate the string from one character to one character. For the string number duplicate will be like how many character will be you're going to duplicate within two. Yeah, from I to J or from J to K. How many character you are going to duplicate from 1 to 2. Yeah, for the string duplicate you will be like for this inside it we using together with memory allocation. Okay, for the memory allocation from the description will be like it's saying string duplicate function long function. Yeah, you read all the description from this. If the memory will be insufficient, like now will be written like that. Okay, for this we going to copy from the character from the stack function to the memory allocation. Yeah, from the hide address local variable to we're going to heap memory, the memory allocation. Okay, for this I going to sorry, I delete this one, the one for testing. Okay, I going to write a new one. Okay, firstly we're going to declare our function name, declare our file name. Okay, for the first step I in library, for the library this one using write format. After that we're going to declare for the memory allocation the library or the malloc will be strdup dot h. That will be the memory address. Okay, for the first for the function name we pointer our function name strdup. Okay, we're going to pointer our source, maybe like from the source where are we going to copy. Okay, for the first step if we're going to check, now we are going to copy our character, string character. Okay, for the first step to copy the character, the idea will be if how many character will be you copy. So for this one you need to check for the length. You're going to find the length of the character, how many you want to copy. So we're going to find the string length first. Okay, then we get how many character we must have to find. Okay, inside there we're going to loop inside there, maybe I declare 0. Then inside that we put our string literature into the array. Okay, is less not equal to not terminated. We're going to increment our I plus plus. Then we return our I. Okay, for this we can get the length of the string. We assign our length of the string. We declare one variable like we give the name slen, sslen. Then for this inside the slen we allocate the src. Then we can reuse this one inside our ftsdup function. Okay, after we assign finish this one, what we gonna do, we copy our string. So to copy our string we declare, we're going to declare like one character will be maybe like we declare character copy. Inside this we're going to assign our number plus one. Okay, plus one for the na terminated. Okay, this cause the string where we need this one. Okay, we're going to check also if not the copy, then we're going to return null for this. Okay, now we copy our we memory. We also, oh sorry, I need to use the important thing I forgot. Sorry, going to make log our memory allocation, our things. Now we make log already. We need to return. Before we do that, we must do our our function. We're going to duplicate this function. Okay, for this we assign the variable I, maybe I or j, whatever, I0, like. Okay, we're going to check inside our src I not equal to /0, then we're going to assign our src I to the copy the character I. Okay, from left to right, from the src I to the copy I, yeah, from left to right. Then we duplicate our function already. Also the string will be every time we must have to not terminate the string character. That's why I can make our string function perfectly used. After that, we return our copy to use at the main. Cause like that, we want to use at the other. That's why we return our copy. Then later in the main function, we're going to free our memory to avoid our leak of memory. Okay, then for this we finish. We're going to print out the result. Using to print strv character arv. Okay, for this we're going to declare like integer I equal to, we're going to start in from 1, cause like inside the terminal the place will be up C will be going to count 1 2 3, out 3 will be going to count 0 1 2, 0 will be the place for the file name. That's why we're going to start from I equal to 1. We're going to check the condition while our I less than arc, then we're going to loop the inside there. Okay, inside there also we declare one more function, integer j equal to 0. We're going to start from j, then we assign our copy character. Okay, we assign our memory allocation, then ft strdup. Okay, where are we going to assign? We're going to assign starting from there arvi. It's going to check all the character from 0 1 to, it's going to check, it's going to look for everywhere. Then inside there we're going to be using inner loops and outer loop. For the inner loop inside there, we check our integer j not equal to /0. Okay, like for the up arvi where we going to check like the file name. The first character may be hello, second character will be war. Then we're going to check one by one. In the character copy j where we're going to check like from the j starting, sorry, arvi where we're going to check from the file name. If let's say it's the file name hello war, then it's going to check starting from the hello. Copy j will be reached from there. From the hello j will be, it's going to check like hello will be starting from hello. That's why we're going to, if going one by one, if going to check j comma 1, if going one by one, we're going to j plus plus our things. Also we're going to count our I plus plus. Okay, after that, for to avoid the memory leak, we're going to free our memory. Okay, then going to return 0. Okay, it's all good. Oh, sorry, I need to increment inside it. Going to copy. Okay, the all will be finished. Okay, then I'm going to print our result strdup output. Let's say tup. Okay, from there tup, we're going to duplicate hlo2 wrt4. Okay, the result will be output will be like that. Okay, I'm going to show you all my code again. Here all my code for string duplicate. You can feel free to write your own sentence or whatever your idea as well. That's maybe like the simple version, the simplest version, using like the right format and going to make like the upc upbeat. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Hey, subscribe my channel. You also feel free to comment below there. Thank you. Bye bye.